Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make perfect grilled asparagus. The best part about grilling is that the grill itself adds so much flavor, you can keep everything else simple. This is a totally easy, simple asparagus recipe, but I promise it'll knock your socks off. Start with a pound of asparagus and pick one up and bend it until it snaps. This is the natural breaking point in the asparagus. The part that you snap off is the tough woody end that you really don't want to eat, so you want just the spears and tips. You can snap them all individually, or you can place it down and use it as a guide to trim off the rest of the ends. Then I'm going to place all of my asparagus into a gallon-sized resealable plastic bag. Then I'm going to pour in 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of black pepper, and seal up the bag. Then we're going to give this a good shake until all of the ingredients are evenly dispersed. Preheat an outdoor grill to high heat, which is about 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the asparagus directly onto the grates, perpendicular to the grill grates so they don't fall through. If you're worried about them falling through the cracks, you can always lay down a piece of aluminum foil and put the asparagus on top of that. Close the lid and let them cook for 10 minutes total. It's a good idea to rotate them halfway through the cooking time. And then that's it. You are ready to eat. This is a really simple way to make asparagus, but I promise it is delicious. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.